Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about diamond problem in Java. In Java, diamond problem arises because of multiple inheritance by which one child class can acquire the property of multiple parent classes, and this structure creates ambiguity between method calls. Like in example, if we have one class A which has one display method, and suppose there are two classes, class B and class C, and they are inheriting the properties of class A and providing one new definition to the display method, then the class B will have overridden display method with a new definition, and also class C will have one overridden display method with a new definition. Now suppose there is another class D which is inheriting both the classes B and C by the use of multiple inheritance. Then whenever we create object of the class D and try to call the display method, and this method call creates ambiguity about which version of the parent method to invoke, because both class B and class C has their own display method with the same signature. So because of this ambiguity, it gives one compile time error. Because the problem structure looks like one diamond, that's why it is called the diamond problem. And the diamond problem arises mainly because of the use of multiple inheritance. So to solve the diamond problem, Java does not allow multiple inheritance. We can use interfaces to have multiple inheritance in Java. So hope you understand the concept of diamond problem in Java. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.